The EBIT multiple is a common tool used to estimate the total value of a business relative to its operating earnings. It helps investors and analysts quickly compare companies by focusing on core profitability before interest and taxes are involved. To calculate it, divide the enterprise value of the company by its earnings before interest and taxes. This metric is useful because it ignores how a company is financed, allowing for a cleaner comparison between different businesses. While the P/E ratio looks at price per share, the EBIT multiple looks at the total value of the enterprise. Different industries command different multiples based on growth expectations and perceived risk in the market. Remember that a multiple is just a snapshot. It should always be used alongside other financial analysis tools. Thanks for watching. Remember that this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. See you in the next video.